Hi guys, it's Waited, and I'm here to show you what happens to an acrylic pour on glass when there's extreme temperature changes. Right there, right here. Cracks all over in my acrylic pour. And what happened is when I did the pour, the temperature was in the upper 70s, and it dropped to freezing. So the studio, I did not turn the heat on. This is all my fault. Okay. And yeah, let me show you the container that I poured in. It's right here. I'm trying to brush. I've been playing with it. See all the cracks in it? Yeah, I mean, the cracks are everywhere. But it went down to freezing, and then it warmed back up in the span of 24 hours. It was warm, freezing, back again warm, and I did not have the thermostat set properly on the studio, so yay! Okay, bye guys.